Right, Gandalf. I'm drunk and you're ugly and I'm awesome, and in the morning I'll still be drunk and awesome and... Why are you offering me that? I already rule. Alien, did you eat my lunch that I packed?
Yes, but it was the most disappointing sandwich ever.
Yes, well I don't know why I let you
Well,
drag me
you're the
out
one
here.
who wanted adventures.
No, what I really
I
wanted
can't
was to
believe you
eat
would
my
stand me
delicious
up like
sandwich.
It's too bad we'll never be able to stop dancing.
Well, there's the inherent beauty of free will. Our futures are only dictated by our desires.
No way, that evil wizard over there cursed us both forever.
DJ Steve is not an evil wizard. Well... No, wait! It doesn't mean you have to... Fine, but it's your turn to hide the body. Do you know how aliens came into being? They were in space once. And now one lives in my beings, torturing me, ruining my life. Tell me, whom do you serve?
Floaty beans.
No!
Phantom, what am I doing in your house? What am I doing with this hammer? I think this is a matter for the police.
It's a constant joy to be me, let me tell you. Every moment is more magical than the last, and every week is like a giant week
There's
of...
something wrong with a cake
What?
that isn't covered in vomit.
I hate you.
But I know how to fix that.
Look! Down there! I see it! It's the finest wine available to humanity!
Phantom, was that the best wine ever? No, because it didn't have enough explosions. Oh well. Woo!
Dun dun dun! Oh, wait, never mind.
Hey, Phantom, are you dead drunk? Or just dead? Uh-oh.